If you're trying to delete projects in Premiere Pro 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete a Premiere Pro project from your computer on both Windows and Mac, and I'll also explain the important difference between deleting the project file and deleting your actual video footage. This is super useful if you want to clean up old projects, free up space, or remove files you no longer need. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand that a Premiere Pro project is usually saved as a .prproj file. That means when you want to delete a project, you are not deleting it inside Premiere Pro itself. You're actually deleting the project file from your computer's file system. So the first step is to close Premiere Pro. If it's currently open, then open your file browser on Windows or Finder on Mac. On Windows, your Premiere Pro projects are usually stored in your Documents folder. Open File Explorer, go to C Drive, then open Users, then select your username, then go into Documents. From there, open the Adobe folder, then Premiere Pro, and then look for a folder named 25.0 or possibly 26.0 depending on your version. Inside that folder, you should see your saved Premiere Pro project files. These files will end with the .prproj extension. On Mac, open Finder, then go to your user folder, then Documents, then Adobe, then Premiere Pro, and then open the folder for your version, such as 25.0. Just like on Windows, you're looking for the project file with the .prproj extension. If you have multiple projects saved, you may see several files here, so take your time and make sure you identify the correct one before deleting anything. Once you find the project you want to remove, right-click the .prproj file. On Windows, choose Delete. On Mac, choose Move to Trash. That will remove the file from its current location, but it is not permanently gone yet. At this point, the project is usually sitting in your recycle bin on Windows or Trash on Mac. If you want to fully remove the project and actually clear up the storage space, make sure to empty your recycle bin or trash afterward. This is the step that permanently deletes the file from your system. If you skip this part, the project is still recoverable and the space may not be fully freed up yet. Now here's the really important part that many people get confused about. Deleting the .prproj file does not delete your raw video footage, it only deletes the project instructions, things like your cuts, edits, sequences, timelines, and settings inside that project. Your original video files, audio files, and imported media stay on your hard drive unless you manually delete them too. So if you only want to remove the Premiere project itself, this method is safe. But if you want to free up even more storage, you'll need to separately find and delete the media files you no longer need. If you're cleaning up old work, I also recommend checking whether the project is linked to media in other folders before deleting anything important. It's always a good idea to make a backup first, especially if the project might still be needed later. If it's an old project you're completely done with, then deleting the .prproj file and emptying the trash or recycle bin is usually all you need. So to recap, open your file browser, navigate to your Adobe Premiere Pro project folder, find the .prproj file, delete it, and then empty your recycle bin or trash if you want it permanently gone. And remember, this only removes the project file, not your original footage. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips, editing tutorials, and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.